Got limited time to work on your comic or manga? That's actually a good thing. It forces you to make sharper, smarter decisions. Here's a tool that'll help you maximize every second. There's a website that can help you finish your comic without overthinking or wasting time. Step 1. Go to goblin.tools. Step 2. Type in how to make a number page comic or manga. Press the plus button. Then press the magic wand button. You'll get a step-by-step process laid out for you. If you're new to this, stick to the order, it works. But after you've finished, tweak it based on what felt right for you. If you want, you can break down the steps even further by pressing the blue wand. Just be careful to not get trigger happy, giving yourself 1,000 steps to finish. Need help figuring out how long this will take? You can press this here. It'll come up with how long to spend time on the particular step. But I found it to be buggy. Instead, copy the list. Head to ChatGPT or Claude AI. Ask it to estimate how much time each step will take based on your deadline and your daily schedule. Simple, right? No more excuses. Remember, every minute you dedicate to your art counts. Make it work for you. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and God bless.